So this video is going to show you how to run Python in GitHub Classroom and some useful tools you can use. So if we go over here on the left, so I'm in my code space in GitHub Classroom, and if you go over here on the left, you can see that there is an extensions tab. And if we search for Python, there are several Python extensions, and you can decide which ones are most useful to you. If you like using a debugger and breakpoints, you can add that pack. This one is, you should definitely have this Python IntelliSense. This is the one that like highlights things correctly and helps you with tabbing as you're coding. So I definitely recommend installing this one. It should install fairly quickly, but it does take a little bit longer. But this one is very useful. It will tell you how to use it as well in this extension if you want to use it more. So if you want to like configure tests, or you want to use Jupyter notebooks or any of these more complicated things I'm not going to show you, you're welcome to look through here and see how that would work. So I did install this one. And now I'm in main.py. I'm going to write something like print hello world. Let me actually zoom this in a bunch. So here is my Python. You can see my IntelliSense is working. IntelliSense helps with things like if, well, usually IntelliSense will help with like automatically doing indents, but I think it's bad because that's not an actual variable. But anyway, so we're going to have Python code here, and then we're going to have a terminal down here, and I'm going to show you how to run it directly through the terminal. As well as running it up here. So through the terminal, if we have a terminal open, or if you close your terminal, you can hit this 3 dots and do terminal, new terminal to open it again. Here we are in our workspace, in our files. So I have direct access to all my files right here because I haven't created another folder. So I can just type Python and then the name of my file, main.py, and it's going to run it. So Python main.py, and it will run it. So if you prefer to run through the terminal or feel cool because you're using the terminal, you can definitely do it that way. Another way to do it is to use our run button up here. And you can see that also runs it. I don't know why it printed a random Y. I think that might be part of the debugger, like saying yes, it was. Oh, nope, it's part of the path. But anyway, that will also run it. So, and this showed up because we downloaded that Python extension that I told you to download. There is also a Python debugger you can use to run and debug. And then again, you can actually put breakpoints and things like that if that's something you want to do. And the extension kind of describes more how to use that if that's something you're interested in. So run it through the terminal, run it through the button up here. Either way, it works. And that's how you can run your Python files through your GitHub Classroom.